You gotta take a bow. She got everybody always trying to know how. Sean Ara, she the baddest and the truest.
Hi, family members. How is the village? How is everybody doing? Hi, everybody. If this is the first time you're meeting this bold, beautiful, unapologetic baby girl, my name is Shonara and you're welcome to our YouTube channel. You are going to fall in love with us. Let me tell you guys, I am super duper excited about this vlog because I don't know what the vlog is gonna be about. So I'm just excited and I've decided to do an intro so that I am gingered. My husband calls it gingered, so I am excited and I am pushed so that I can vlog something. And now I have an idea what I'm gonna vlog about. God, did you guys see the dimple? Because one, I discovered this amazing Chinese shop and my life has never been the same. As in, I'm dying to go back there. I'm gonna buy some stuff. And you know what's really exciting me about the shop is the fact that most of the things are written in Chinese and I don't really know them. So anytime I go to the shop, I just be speaking, is it gibberish? I just be like ching chang ching, and whatever I like I pick. As in, it's just so cute. Like I go there and I see some noodles and in my mind I just go like, this must be ching cha. and it's no disrespect to any of my Chinese family. I love you all. I just really like doing that because it's a way of me passing time. And anyway guys, I'm at the field. Okay, so anytime my baby is sleeping or taking a nap, my husband remains with him and I go outside and take some walk, because otherwise you might end up running mad in Europe if you don't find something to do. And I haven't made any friends because I'm so shy. I actually downloaded an app called Peanut. I if I'm being honest, I didn't open it, though I hear it's a really good app. I'm gonna tell you guys about it. I'm really feeling this makeup. I feel like my UK girl makeup is getting there. Like I'm beginning to really understand the UK makeup and all that, because now it's just, and the wind is also just really giving Beyonce. I want something big. Oh my God, jeez. Guy, Mungu wangu. I want something big, Beyonce. And thank you so much guys for the support that you guys give me. I don't take it for granted. I love you all. I really love you. I'm gonna be a little goofy now because really, you know, yeah. Let me be a little goofy. Okay, let's go to the Chinese shop guys, shall we? So we've arrived at this place and we are going to the Chinese shop that I told you guys about. And unfortunately my husband is with me, so unfortunately, but let's go. Daddy, you went with him to the road? Okay. Why? Oh my God, let me see, is it closed? Oh my God, baby, it's like it's closed. They've closed. Oh my, even Costa is closed everywhere. Ooh. Just wanted to show you guys some stuff because they have really nice Chinese stuff. And they also have orenge there, like chicken feet and just some nice stuff. There's all those weird animals that people don't know about. All those people think they're weird food, but I just like them. I wanted to buy some snails because there's some snails and there's these other animals that I used to see people eating that kind of looks like a, I don't know if you know the animal, but I just see them here. No, it's closed. Okay, tomorrow I'm gonna try. I'm gonna, you know guys, it's 8 now, and look, it's 8 and there's a whole sun, and that's why I didn't even know it's late. Because can you imagine at home if it's 8 in the night? It's not gonna look like this. It's not gonna look like this. And you see that place where it's been written castle? Let me tell you a little story about it. So it's a tanning studio where you go and get yourself tanned, and I had no idea. So all the time I would see some beautiful ladies there. All the time I'll just see beautiful ladies line up. So I went there and I was like, hey, you know what, as a beautiful lady I have the right to know what goes on here. Maybe there's an opportunity and I'm missing out. You guys can see now, like there's always some there's always some beautiful ladies walking, and then I go there and they tell me it's a tan, like if you want to be tanned. I'm like, tan what? Like if you want to be, if you have the tanning, like they give you tanning spray, it's like a whole machine. You just go and sleep, and then I'm like, hey, please, I'm black, I don't need the tanning. So let's go. I bet I'm gonna see you guys next time, probably tomorrow. God, my face is getting water. I don't know what to do, but anyway, this is the day that we are finally, this is gonna be the last night here. Yes, this is our, oh God, I can't believe it. This is our last night here. So it's just me and my baby, and everything is everywhere because we are still packing. You understand, when you want to move, and my husband has left because he has taken the last batch of things. Oh my God, like this breakout. But anyway, I'm very sure my skin is gonna get better with time. I believe that. Okay? Yeah, we are finally, like, this is the last day that I'm here. I don't know if I said that yesterday, but this is the last day. So I was packing the last places that I feel like we might forget, and I thought I should do it with you guys. And you remember when I first came, I came with some tea bags. Yeah, so this is it, and the kitchen is a mess. I've been saying that for a while now. Everywhere is a mess, okay, but it's okay. So I think I should just, so I'm putting them right here. These are cereals. And I kind of feel like at times we just buy things to forget to use them. Sugar. So after searching for a house for almost 5 months now, we finally got a house. And I decided to give this particular house that I'm leaving behind a deep clean or a deep cleanse. This is not something I usually do. I'm the type who just packs her bags and leaves the house like that. But I decided to give this house a very deep clean because this house meant so much to me. This is the first house that I made millions. I became a millionaire in this particular house, and I associated this house with so much blessing because this house, so much would just get in place. The right people would come in my life and the wrong people would live in this particular house. This is where me and my husband experienced so much peace and coordination and love and positivity. So I decided to finally give this house the last respect that it deserved. And in the previous night, I had prayed over this house. I blessed it. I thanked God for it. I thanked God for this particular small, tiny house that became a heaven for me and my son and my husband. And now, as I'm finally leaving this house, I have nothing but gratitude. And I also thank all of you subscribers for being with me throughout the journey, being patient with me, taking care of me, subscribing, constantly giving me comments and supporting me and just encouraging me in different ways. You might not know it, but it meant so much to me because this was literally my first house in the UK. Like it was a tiny little house, but I loved it so much. And yeah, so I can't wait to show you guys my new house because they're actually not the same. The only difference is, no, the only similarity is they are both fully furnished apartment, but this new house is big, it's gorgeous. Oh, my baby wouldn't let me do nothing. I can't wait to show you guys my baby, and let's keep on subscribing. Let's get to 100K so that I can do a face reveal. It's almost my baby's birthday. Do you guys know that my baby is turning 1 in 2 weeks time? And so I'm done with cleaning the bathroom and yeah, giving myself a 10. Because let me tell you guys, you know, when you're moving, the house is normally in a mess. Okay, but I tried. Or what do you guys think? As we come towards the end of this video, I was done cleaning and packing everything, and now I was just ready to leave. And I said I want to do one last prayer before leaving this house, but this time around I want to do it with you guys because you guys have been with me throughout the journey. So I just want to thank God for this day, and I want to say bye-bye to 26C. It was a beautiful house. So, dear Lord, thank you so much for the opportunities arising in regards to my relocation. Thank you for all the good memories and all the paid partnerships that happened in this house. Thank you for making each and everything possible. I am now equipped and ready for the big opportunities that you have prepared for me in this new season. Bless this new city that I am relocating to. Thank you because this city is blessed simply because I am going to live there. Doors and gates of bigger opportunities and bigger paid partnership are opening up for me because I am going to live there. Doors of favor, doors of love, and doors of elevations are all opening up for me. I'm speaking success in this relocation. I decree and declare that my destiny and future are finally coming together in this new relocation. Thank you so much, Lord. Thank you for being good to me ever since I relocated to the UK. Lord, I am hoping and praying that you are going to continue using me to show the little girl who has nobody to run to that you are God. I pray that you are going to provide every connection that I need in this city. Everything that was difficult in this old city is now easy and smooth in this new city. I will not experience any difficulty. I will not experience any sadness, any misfortune, because you are God. Thank you so much, God, for all my subscribers who have continuously supported me. I pray that you heal them and you bless them and change their story as well. Thank you for this city. Thank you, Lord. Bye-bye.